Old plastic fruit crates are often thrown away without a second thought. But from now on, don't ever waste them again. Today, I'll show you step by step how to transform these old plastic crates into something truly amazing, something far more useful, and even worth hundreds of dollars. Since these used crates are usually quite dirty and covered with fruit residue, the first step is to wash them thoroughly. Use clean water and a bit of soap to remove all the dirt, dust, and unpleasant odors. Once cleaned, make sure the crates are completely dry before moving on to the next step, so the final result looks neat and professional. If you don't have an old plastic fruit crate like this at home, don't worry at all. You can easily get one from a nearby fruit store or local market in your area. Most fruit sellers have plenty of used crates stacked up, and they're usually more than happy to let them go. What's even better, these crates are extremely cheap, and in many cases, the sellers might even give them away for free, rather than paying someone to dispose of them. So not only are you saving money, but you're also helping reduce plastic waste by giving these crates a second life. It's a simple yet meaningful way to recycle, save some cash, and create something valuable out of what most people would simply throw away. While waiting for the plastic crate to dry completely, let's move on to preparing the next material. Take a piece of plywood or wooden board. Medium thickness is ideal, as it needs to be sturdy enough to support the crate later. Measure the board carefully according to the base dimensions of the crate you just cleaned. Make sure the measurements are precise so everything fits perfectly. This board will serve as the main foundation or base structure for the project we're about to build, so accuracy is very important here. If necessary, lightly sand the surface of the wood to make it smoother and more comfortable to handle. This simple step will make the final result look more professional, solid, and aesthetically pleasing. Which country are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to see how far this video has reached across the world. It's always amazing to know that we can connect with each other from different parts of the globe. Once all the plastic crates are completely dry, the next step is to cut one side of the crate, just a single panel. This step may seem simple, but it's actually one of the most important parts of the process, as this cut will serve as a key functional section of the tool we're creating. Make sure to cut it carefully and evenly so the final result is sturdy and easy to use. Once all the sides of the crate have been cut, the next step is to take the wooden board we prepared earlier. Place the crate on top of the board, making sure it sits evenly and firmly. Then, secure the crate to the board using screws along the edges. Add several screws on the right side, the left side, and also at the back to make sure the connection is solid and stable. This step is crucial to ensure that the entire structure becomes sturdy and durable when used later on. Next, prepare a few small caster wheels and attach them to each corner of the wooden base that's already connected to the plastic crate. Make sure each wheel is securely fastened and properly aligned so the structure remains stable when moved. The main purpose of these wheels is to make it easy to move the unit around without having to lift it. With the addition of wheels, the tool becomes more practical and convenient to use. You can easily roll it to any location with minimal effort. This simple step adds both functionality and a more professional look to the final result. Once all the wheels are securely attached, it's time to move on to the stacking process. Since each crate has the same dimensions, stacking them together is effortless and creates a clean, uniform look. Each corner of the crate has a built-in locking design that prevents the stack from sliding or shifting, even when it's loaded with items. You can stack the crates based on your personal style, use the same color for a neat, minimalist appearance, or mix different colors to create a vibrant and eye-catching design. Not only does this enhance the overall look, but it also adds a touch of creativity and modernity to your space. Next, use cable ties to connect each crate together. Secure them on the right side, left side, and along the back to ensure that every crate is tightly linked. The built-in locking system of the crates helps keep them aligned, but it still allows the crates to be lifted individually. By adding the cable ties, you're reinforcing the entire structure, making each crate firmly attached to the others. This prevents the crates from separating or coming loose, even if the unit is accidentally dropped. It's a simple yet effective step that significantly improves the overall strength, stability, and durability of your creation. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button now. Join our community. We've got plenty of creative and useful ideas coming your way. After completing all the steps, you can now see the result, a truly amazing creation. This multi-purpose rack can be moved around effortlessly thanks to the wheels installed at the bottom. It's perfect for organizing shoes, sandals, tools, or even small household items, keeping everything neat and easy to find. Instead of spending a lot of money to buy a new storage rack, you can make one yourself using simple materials that are easy to find at home. What's even better, you can add extra layers on top to expand its storage capacity. A simple idea, cost-efficient, and incredibly functional. Truly a remarkable DIY project. The back and both sides remain closed, keeping everything safely stored inside. You don't need to worry about anything falling out, since only the front section is open for easy access. With a bit of knowledge and creativity, unused items can be transformed into something truly useful, helping you save money instead of buying new things. If you found this idea helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Your support really motivates us to keep sharing more amazing and creative ideas. Share this video with your friends and family. Who knows, this simple idea might be useful for them too. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.